And this is the base of the Munising waterfall. Look at that. So beautiful. Nice little easy waterfall to walk up to. I like it. So what do you think? You like this?
Yeah, it's nice.
Was it worth the $8 to get in?
Yeah, it's okay.
So you do it again?
No,
No?
because you're not gonna go back here.
But if you were to come again for the first time, would you do it again?
It's okay.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Thumbs up?
Yep.
Real honest reviews by Anna. She'd definitely pay the $8 to get in again. How about that?
It's okay.
If she likes it, it's got to be good. Look at that. Beautiful. I should get in the video too. Isn't that beautiful? I'm talking about me, not the falls.
It's good.
We're at the dog patch. We'll get an honest review from Anna when we're done here. And this is the whitefish special
It's yummy.
at the dog patch. So honest reviews by Anna. What do you think?
For sure, this is good except the fries.
What do you mean except for the
I
fries?
don't like fries because it's too much carbs and not good for my sugar. I can eat all the fish. You can have all my fries too.
I don't want to get in your way there.
It's
Thank
okay.
you. And malt vinegar. Is it good?
So crunchy.
How's the coffee, huh?
Oh, it's good. I love it. This is like the dark Grand Island decaf. That one.
You like it? Decaf,
Yeah.
Grand Islands.
I love that.
Going with decaf this morning. And we are at Falling Rock Cafe and Bookstore.
Yep.
And for $50, you can buy yourself a mug and have $1 refills.
Leave your name.
And put your name on it and get $1 refills. There's Anna in front of me. She's the lead person in our kayak today. I'm not going to have her turn around because I don't want to tip or anything. But look at these rocks. Beautiful day. A little bit overcast. Got a few waves out here on Lake Superior. But we're having a great time. You having fun? She says yes. GoPro, turn on. We're going to go through this little, between these two rocks over here. This will be a nice little trip. You can see the bottom here. Looks like it's about 10 feet deep. Okay, get your hands down. I'll need your hands going through here. Oops. Okay, use your hands on the wall. Oh. Oh, nice swell from the waves there. That's kind of crazy. Sweetheart, need your hands. That was a lot of fun. How was that? Look at this. I like the sound. The crashing waves. There you go. Look at that. Look at these rocks over here. Look at all the stains and stuff that's coming down from the rocks. I guess they say you don't want to get too close to the edge because more rocks coming falling off there. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, there's a big rock in the water here.
Honey.
Hello. Thumbs up. Thumbs up for pictured rocks. Look at those cliffs straight up. They say, what's that, 125 feet or so? Up the cliff. Looks like there's a big landslide on this side. Anna.
Hi.
Hey. More pictured rocks. Oh yeah, let's go through the, what do you call it? Kissing Rock. Okay. We're going to go through the Kissing Rock over there again. Look at that. Got the sun up there, high in the sky. Beautiful time to kayak in Lake Superior. That's the rock that we went through. The other side of it. Look at that, it has a nice cave in the front side of it. There's all kinds of birds up there, waterfowl. Those are cormorants. But look at that, that's the rock we go behind. I like it. The water's dripping off the rocks. Waves crashing. Anna taking a selfie. That's kind of normal. Look at that. See the sun peeking right over the cliff right there. Perfect. Oh, I'm going back in through Kissing Rock. Gives us a nice close-up look at the rocks. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh! Oh, the guide's not letting us go through again. Okay. Is he letting us go through? Alright, paddle up. Paddle up. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Don't lean. No, not necessarily. Okay. Alright, paddle. Okay. Ooh, that was fun. Having fun at Pictured Rocks Lakeshore. Okay, let's just wait here for everyone to come through. I want to stay away from this rock, so we... I like the sound of the waves crashing underneath of those little caves in there. I don't want to get too far in there. Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh. I don't think I want to do what he did. Our fearless pirate guide. Ah, there is a beach back there. Look at that. Pile of rocks. Okay, stop paddling forward. We're not going to go all the way in there, honey. Oh, it's raining. Look at that. Those are pretty dramatic cliffs there. I like it. I bet you this would be gorgeous on a still day when the lake is completely still as glass. You'll be able to see the bottom of the lake here. Uh-oh. Let's stay away from these rocks. Ooh. Faster. Oops. Arms up. Woo! Just like surfing. Sort of.
Alright.
Whoa! Yeah. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. We had a good time kayaking out there. So I hope you like our video. Be sure to like and subscribe and smash that notification button so you find out when we have all of our latest exciting travel videos.